What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Natalia, also known as Chef Rudakova, and today I will share with you 3 creative ways to use Tapioca Maltodextrin in cooking. If you haven't watched my previous video on Tapioca Maltodextrin, where I talk more about the product, what it is, what it does, and how we can use it in the kitchen, you should go and watch it. You should go here. And now I'm just gonna tell you quickly, I'm gonna brief you about the ingredient. So Tapioca Maltodextrin is a modified starch, and it's modified in a way that it can interact with the oily and fatty products, but not only. And today we're going to make a powder, a paste, and an edible film using this amazing ingredient. So enough talking, let's start cooking. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video and you've learned something new. Let me know in the comments below about what are the molecular gastronomy or not molecular gastronomy products and ingredients you want me to talk about in the next videos. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it already. And I'll see you in the next video.